Raise your hand if you and your family get together at the dining room table every night, you don't miss one, to share the most vulnerable parts of your day, and the only time that your kids interrupt you is in the most gentle way, only to deny dessert because your unconditional love is all the sweetness they need. Raise your hand if that's your family. And I'm gonna go ahead and count. Nobody. Now raise your cell phone if your dining room gets used so little that it's often used for storage. This is just an example. It's not how we do it. It's just for the purposes of the video. We so rarely sit at the table to eat together because, as you see, look, I can move the camera around, but the point is that there's no TV over here, so we don't sit together because then all we have is our words. Now, it is so much different when extended family, friends, guests come into the house, because then we're pulling out everything, setting up the table, making it fancy, using our words, listening, talking, engaging, TV or not. We act like we're brand new then. It's the nature of things. We take certain things for granted that we get very used to. But I think we can improve that, even if it's just a little bit. So today, we're building a brand new dining room table. Let's go. Okay, now check this out. The first thing I'm gonna have to do is clear the space. Here we go. Okay, hold on, it's still there. Hold on, one more time. Okay, look, I don't even know if that was the right space, but it's clear. You hear that echo? Hey! Yeah. That's the echo of new beginnings. No. I don't know if y'all do this, but I'm putting things like on the edges of the rug to try to flatten it out before I put the table on it. Is that a thing? Is that what y'all would do too? This is the kind of handyman work I can do. You see this? Like just getting a table and just putting legs on it. I can do that. I love my daughters, but will I ever build a bunk bed for them again?
No.
But this is simple enough for anybody. This makes me feel so much more like a handyman. I'm a professional now. If anybody needs help, call somebody else. But if it's this table, I'll do it. I like it. Now, is there technically an easier way to do this? Probably, but maybe that's why I said to turn it around the other way. Let me do that. Let me not do it upside down. I'm not, you know what? I'm not a handyman. I never claimed to be. I'm feeling handymanish. This is the kind of handyman work I can do. Like a handyman. I'm a professional now. There's no footage of me saying that. I'm setting the ambiance, okay? That's why we went to Wayfair looking for greenery, so we could bring in the outside into the inside space. We want dining together to feel peaceful, even with kids, which sounds almost impossible. Fake plants are awesome, don't judge it. And since we really like plants and don't want to have to water everything, this is the best alternative to that. Come on in and have a seat. There is no storage going on up here. This is a place not just for the special guests, but for the members of the family also. Now, a dining table is much more than a place to eat. It's the most intentional space that we use to gather as a family. And by gathering, I don't mean just being with each other in person. I mean being with each other in presence. I think it's time to show it to the rest of the family. What do y'all think about the new table?
Cool. Oh.
That is the driest response I have ever heard in my life. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Good. Are you happy, Amala? Goodbye, girls. You all have a great day. Goodbye. Thank you for joining me. I am happy. Mommy, are you happy?
Oh, yes.
This came from Wayfair. It's beautiful, and
Yes.
we are happy, and our girls are moderately happy. Thank you.